Kung titignan mo sir, no, yung recruitment namin, actually sir, we are overwhelmed with the sheer number of applicants this time. Nag-triple siya sir from the usual. So na-acknowledge na ng mga tao sir kung how they can contribute in their own special way. Because sa reserve forces sir, tinatanggal natin yung misnomer na ibabala kayo sa kanyon and frontlines kayo. Sa reserve force sir, to each his own. Your skill sets, yun po yung i-offer mo to the table. So if you're a doctor, you're in the medical field, treat the wounded. Ngayon sir, even the cyber warriors can be part of it. No? So nagkaroon na tayo ng ganong tranche. Yung mga judge sir, mga attorney, nandun sila, they give legal advice to our troops. So yun sir, force multiplier sila and they can be the front lines na ngayon. So kung tignan mo sir, nung huling may bagyo, Batanes cannot be reached by the armed forces because the planes cannot fly, the ships cannot sail. So it was the reserve forces in Batanes who were the ones who deployed and did the search and rescue operations at the onset bago tumila sir yung kalangitan at nakarating na po yung tulong. So yun po ang nagiging role ng natin ngayon, reserve forces natin. They know the terrain, they know the the intricacies in their own their own locations. So sila po yung una na rumeresponde. So ngayon sir, even in the earthquake na nangyari, malaking tulong po itong ating reserve forces sir. And marami na pong nagjo-join.